Another topic that we're focusing on this year is food as medicine, which is an extremely hot topic right now. We're understanding so much more about our gut biome and using genetics about our body's reaction to what we're putting in it. Why does this topic excite you this year?
This is, as you say, it's a very hot topic. The funny thing is that, as you know, Nick, our ancestors knew that food was medicine, right? They knew that food could be medicine and could help our health, but they didn't have the science to back it up, and we do now. Science tells us that we can use food to affect the health or positively and adversely to broad swaths of the population and individuals, and on a personalized basis now, both because of genomics and because of analysis of the gut biome and other factors that are personalized. And the CPGs are very excited about this area. I mean, all of the CPGs we talk to want this subject covered, and you can see it's reflected in a lot of the startup strategies that are going to be presenting during our workshop this year.